Using a wide range of materials, we are always at your disposal for the most effective 3D services and consultancy as to 3D printing, 3D modeling, 3D scanning, and 3D training. We always strive to offer the highest quality 3D services. We value our customers' opinions, so make sure to find us at the specialized exhibitions. To ease your choice, we are managing an online training and sales platform, 3dbgprint.com. Our team has proven professionalism over the years. For this reason, our producing partners are some of the best companies on a global scale. The areas of application of 3D printing are numerous and continually expand. Architecture, medicine, dental technology, automotive industry, sculpture, fashion, marketing, design, jewelry. You dream it, we print it. 3D Bgprint.